Hi y'all, it's Beth. Who else? It's week 5. I've already recorded a video welcoming you to the last of the term, all 4 weeks. But I want to talk a little bit in particular about week 5. This is a complicated week. Schedule changes a little bit. We don't have anything due on Wednesday, but you have 2 things due on Friday and 2 things due on Sunday. Very important that you get all of those done. It's not going to take too much time, not much in terms of writing. I'm hoping you'll spend a lot of time thinking, though. Since you don't have anything due on Wednesday, spend the week. You've got until Friday to come up with a topic for your research paper. I've talked to many of you about possible topics. I've given you a list that you might want to look at. Let me see. I can show you possible topics right here. I've given you a whole list. You might want to go back to week 2 when we were looking at secondary sources. Some of them might interest you. Something about the book might interest you, or let me know. I have plenty of ideas, I think. So anyway, you've got until Friday. Friday, I need both a formal proposal. I've given you complete directions here for what I need, and then I want a proposal through your forum to tell your friends and neighbors what you're writing about. Excuse me. I think that will give you ideas, especially those of you who are having trouble coming up with topics, or you might even gather into a group, those of you who are dealing with the same issues, privacy issues, for instance, age limits, for instance. It might help you to see that. So in terms of the forum, I'm asking you right here to, by Friday, to just put a couple of sentences. This is what I'm writing about. And then see what kind of responses you get. I'm betting they're going to be a lot. And then by Sunday, I want you to respond to at least 2 more. Friday also, I'm asking for your proposal, a formal proposal that's coming to me specifically. This one I will respond to. I will actually give you credit for it, 50 points worth, which is pretty good. I'm not going to be grading it too carefully, but what I am going to be looking at is to see how I can help you in this research paper, what ideas I can give you, what kind of possible problems I might see, or I might say, a bunch of people are writing on this. You might want to talk to them. Then on Sunday, I'm asking you by Sunday to respond to at least 2 of your classmates' proposals. This sounds good. I'm doing it too. Have you thought about this? You might want to look at this. Also, I'm asking for a works cited draft. Notice the key word there is draft. I'm not expecting this to be your final bibliography, but I am expecting this to show me that this week you have come up with a topic, you've thought about it, you've given direction to your research, and you've started doing research. That's what I'm looking for. Then hopefully by Sunday night or Monday morning, you will have received comments from me and maybe at least a couple of your classmates on your paper. Then you can start writing in earnest. Let me know if I can help. Let this be a good week and enjoy your Wednesday off. Talk to you later. Bye.